Check. Check.
Well, a rolling thunder sound.
Album sound, great sound. Crucial sound called rolling thunder.
Yeah, you know, so praise to the Most High King Selassie. I sure Rastafari, you don't know, so rolling thunder. You don't know, no stone of the builder refuge. Head cornerstone, you don't know. Armstrong must have big up yourself always with the girls. Al Capone, you don't know. Shaggy Danger, Mikey Culture. Beeline, you don't know, the shotgun. Shotgun in a bed. Friend in a tech shot from none. Well, I'm Mr. Praises Jah, the Emperor, King of Kings. I'm Mr. to a fullness, have to express. Them don't say I the big bad sound. Alright, I'm Mr. Praises Jah, rolling thunder Emperor, Rastaman a King of Kings. I'm Mr. to a fullness, have to express. Rolling thunder, killer jump and Soviets. Send the one and name Jah, Rastafari we a praise. Sound boy a dead up fireplace. Them deceive black man, so them no say that I praise. Them get way for King and praise. The one of name and the Malcolm X or Martin Luther. This rolling thunder kill sound boy. Quick, I see the champion. So them say them want come test it. I know them get left. Who to bless them can't test. You see me sound of the greatest thing overall. Just rolling thunder, them rains a go fall. Rolling thunder, you kill any the sound in a hey praises Jah.
Even the dogs that piss against the walls of Babylon, so let's keep the rot rolling thunder come to pour. And we shall burn them and burn them continuously, for they never cease to oppress the poor. Battlefield warrior. Oh please, my cause, oh Jah, rolling thunder off his stand firm. When the wicked rise against the eye, order their steps, oh Jah. The way is dark, let them be not alone. Al Capone, we fear no foe, no.
Brimstone and fire, burn it down to the ground. Armstrong, Al Capone, Shaggy Danger, Mikey Culture, Beeline, shotgun. Hey. What me sing? They can't keep a good sound down. Rolling thunder, play them tune now when them want you to frown. Kept the vibe and you stood the ground, and they could never taste rolling thunder sound. Who to bless I said no one curse. Things getting better when they thought it would be worse. Here comes the jump and them want to test me on the turf. Them a go dead cause they sound boy they curse. Rolling thunder solid as a rock to kill every jump and sound. People will say this and that, a rolling thunder on his own. Hey, hey, even when they set up roadblocks, they just can't stop you now. No. Even when we see them one like them and them one play their free sound, we deal with them really mad, yo. Cause when they come with the evil stones, I just listen whenever they talk. Ties the light into my dark, cut and color my part. They fight you without a cause and trying to make your life so hard. The king of kings and the lads and flats. Hey, rolling thunder, solid as a rock, they just can't stomp you now. People will say this and that, they just can't stomp you now. Hey, people when they set roadblocks, them cannot stop rolling thunder sound. No.
Eternal Father God Almighty, we ask of thee to give strength unto rolling thunder to blast some good sinful somewhere asunder. Run it upon them. We trust in the eternal Jah. Give another power to conquer a night. Enemy, operate a man like Beeline. Select that shotgun and Mikey Culture. Run it. Take it away. Rastafari.